Travel vocabulary words. Passport, an official document for international travel.
Keep your passport in a safe place.
Visa, permission to enter a country.
I need a visa to visit Canada.
Ticket, a document that allows you to travel.
I bought a train ticket online.
Boarding pass, a document to board a flight.
Show your boarding pass at the gate.
Luggage, bags used for traveling.
My luggage is very heavy.
Suitcase, a large travel bag.
Pack your clothes in the suitcase.
Backpack, a bag carried on your back.
He carried a backpack during the trip.
Baggage, personal belongings carried while traveling.
Please collect your baggage after landing.
Check-in, to register before a flight or hotel stay.
We checked in 2 hours before the flight.
Security, the safety check before boarding.
Everyone must pass through security.
Immigration, passport control when entering a country.
We waited at immigration for 20 minutes.
Customs, the place where luggage is inspected.
We went through customs quickly.
Departure, the act of leaving a place.
Our departure is at 8 a.m.
Arrival, the act of reaching a place.
The arrival time is 6:30 p.m.
Terminal, a building at an airport.
Meet me at Terminal 2.
Gate, the place where passengers board.
Our flight leaves from Gate 15.
Flight, a journey by airplane.
The flight was delayed by an hour.
Airline, a company that operates flights.
We flew with a local airline.
Airport, a place where airplanes take off and land.
The airport is very busy today.
Runway, the strip where airplanes take off and land.
The plane is moving onto the runway.
Check-in desk, the place to check in at the airport.
Go to the check-in desk first.
Taxi, a car for hire.
We took a taxi to the hotel.
Bus, a large road vehicle for passengers.
The bus arrived on time.
Train, a railway vehicle.
We traveled by train.
Platform, the place where you board a train.
The train leaves from platform 4.
Station, a place where trains or buses stop.
I'll meet you at the station.
Hotel. A place where travelers stay.
We booked a hotel near the beach.
Reception. The front desk of a hotel.
Ask at reception for help.
Reservation. A booking made in advance.
I confirmed my hotel reservation.
Room key. A key or card to open your room.
Don't lose your room key.
Elevator. A lift that moves people between floors.
Take the elevator to the 5th floor.
Tourist. A person traveling for pleasure.
The tourist took many photos.
Tour guide. A person who shows visitors around.
Our tour guide was very friendly.
Map. A drawing showing places and roads.
Use the map to find the museum.
Destination. The place you are traveling to.
Paris is our final destination.
Journey. The act of traveling from one place to another.
Have a safe journey.
Trip. A short journey.
We had a wonderful trip.
Vacation. A holiday from work or school.
We're going on vacation next month.
Sightseeing. Visiting famous places.
We spent the day sightseeing.
Landmark. A famous place or monument.
The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark.
Museum. A place where historical or artistic objects are displayed.
We visited the History Museum.
Beach. A sandy area beside the sea.
The children played on the beach.
Mountain. A very high natural hill.
The children played on the beach.
Restaurant. A place where meals are served.
We had dinner at a local restaurant.
Currency. The money used in a country.
Exchange your currency before traveling.
Exchange. Exchange.
I exchanged dollars for euros.
Souvenir. Something you buy to remember a trip.
She bought a souvenir for her family.
Camera. A device used to take pictures.
Don't forget your camera.
Itinerary. A plan of your trip.
Check your itinerary before leaving.
Backpacker. A traveler carrying a backpack.
The backpacker traveled across Europe.